Hey creators, welcome back to Ideaplex. Have you ever dreamed of turning your thoughts into captivating animated stories? Intrigued? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of AI-powered storytelling with a platform called ReelCraft.ai, an AI-driven platform that makes your storytelling dreams come true. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. ReelCraft might just be your new best friend. ReelCraft is an AI-powered tool that transforms text into beautiful, animated videos. Whether you're an educator looking to make learning fun, a marketer needing eye-catching content, or just someone who loves to tell stories, ReelCraft claims to make it easy and accessible for everyone. Let's face it, creating high-quality videos can be a time-consuming beast. Learning animation software takes forever, and hiring professionals can burn a hole in your wallet. Not to mention, script writing and voiceover recording can feel like pulling teeth. But what if there was a way to streamline the process? A tool that lets you focus on your story and lets AI handle the rest? That's the promise of ReelCraft. ReelCraft doesn't just generate static images, it breathes life into your narrative with a variety of animation styles. We're talking smooth 4K slideshows, eye-catching 3D animations, and even the option to choose from different character sets. But it doesn't stop there. ReelCraft lets you personalize your video further with various voiceover options. From a library of AI voices to the ability to upload your own, you can ensure your message is delivered exactly as you envisioned. And if you have a specific soundtrack in mind, you can upload that too. Let's break down some of the standout features ReelCraft has to offer. 1. Text to animation. Imagine typing out your script and watching it come to life with vibrant animations. You type, and the AI generates animated scenes that match your story. It's almost like having a Hollywood studio at your fingertips too. 4K and 3D animations. For those looking to add a bit more flair, ReelCraft supports 4K and 3D animations. The quality is top-notch, making your videos look professional and polished. Perfect for catching your audience's attention. 3. Customizable characters. One of my favorite features is the ability to customize characters. You can choose from a variety of styles and tweak everything from their appearance to their outfits. 4. Background scores. Music sets the mood for any story, and ReelCraft has a library of background scores to choose from, whether you need something dramatic, whimsical, or relaxing. 5. Natural voice narration. And let's not forget the narration. ReelCraft offers natural sounding voiceovers in multiple languages. You can either record your own voice or choose from their AI generated voices, making your story accessible to a global audience. Let me sign up and let's take a quick trip through the ReelCraft interface and see this AI magic in action. See, it's surprisingly intuitive and user-friendly. Even a complete animation newbie can whip up a decent video in minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. You don't need any prior animation experience to get started. The process is straightforward. You enter your text, select your characters, and choose your animations and music. The AI does the heavy lifting, and within minutes you have a polished video ready to share. Now, some of you might be thinking, sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's surprisingly user-friendly. Let me give you a quick demonstration. Here I'll type in a short story prompt, choose an animation style, and boom. Within minutes, we have a basic animated scene ready to go.
Assalamu alaikum. Born and raised in Morocco, I can bring life to your...
Buenos días. Gracias. That has been entrusted to you.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
But ReelCraft doesn't stop there. You can also add your own background music, choose from different voiceover options, and even tweak the visuals to match your specific vision. ReelCraft gives you the power to truly personalize your animated masterpiece. if you have a story to tell, ReelCraft can help you bring it to life in a way that's both engaging and time efficient. Here is the short story about the last bookstore which I have created. Take a look. You can customize the video as your wish. You can add text or image to the video. Some advanced features are behind a paywall. High quality videos may take longer to render, especially on slower internet connections.
In a world dominated by screens and digital realms, there stood a lone bookstore, a relic of a bygone era. Its shelves were laden with the weight of centuries, each book a universe waiting to be explored. The bookstore's owner, an elderly woman named Ilara, was a guardian of these silent worlds. She knew every book, its plot, its characters, its soul. Her eyes, like the worn leather bindings of her favorite volumes, held stories of their own. One day, a young woman named Anya stepped into the bookstore. The digital world had left her feeling empty, a ghost in a machine. The bookstore was a physical manifestation of the escape she craved. Ilara, sensing her yearning, guided her through the labyrinth of shelves. Anya found herself drawn to a worn copy of Wuthering Heights. As she opened the book, the world outside faded, replaced by the tempestuous love story of Kathy and Heathcliff. She stayed lost in the book for hours, the words igniting a fire within her soul. From that day, the bookstore became her sanctuary. She returned often, exploring different worlds, falling in love with characters, and finding solace in the rhythm of the written word. Ilara, watching her, smiled. She had found a new keeper for the magic of books. As the world outside grew louder, the bookstore became a beacon, a silent oasis amidst the digital chaos. It was a testament to the enduring power of stories, a reminder that in a world of ones and zeros, the human heart still craved the tangible and the eternal.
ReelCraft offers 3 flexible pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Free plan $0 per month with 50 free credits. Pro plan costs $30 per month with 250 credits. Business plan costs $60 per month with 1000 credits. For more detailed information, you can visit the ReelCraft pricing page. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, subscribe to Ideaplex, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you've used ReelCraft, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.